Hello and welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. In this video, I will be showing new gardeners how to clean up used pots and prepare it for the next use. It's not a very difficult task. You just need a ploughing tool and 5 minutes of your time. That's it. You need to start by cutting the plant with the scissor or prune it till you can see only an inch of its stem like what I have here. Then with your plough, you need to go as far below in the soil as possible and just turn it. Keep doing this till the soil becomes loose. Loose enough till you can pull the stem out of the pot. After you are done removing the stems from the pot, aerate the soil till 5 inches deep and leave the pot for a day till the soil dries up. After the soil has dried up, you can use your organic fertilizer and your pot is ready for another plant now.